Welcome all my dear students. Previous in my previous video, I have discussed about the German unification. Today I will discuss about the Italian unification. You know, German unification started after the several movements. In 1830, there was a movement. In 1848, there was also a movement. This kind of movement actually helped to create the nationalist sentiments. And by national sentiments, several countries was united. One was Germany, which already I have discussed. Today, I will try to discuss about the Italian unification. But before entering the point, keep in mind that time Italy was divided into 7 states. Even now, I am telling one by one. Italy was divided into 7 states, and Sardinia Piedmont was ruled by the Italian princely house, and north was under the Austrian Habsburg. Even center was ruled by the Pope, and southern region ruled by the Bourbon King of Spain. Even in Italy itself, Italy language had not acquired much more importance. That time different language was there, different common language also was there. Now in that context, in Italy, there are several divisions was there, and Italian language also not much more important. So what happened in 1830? Mazzini had taken the program for the unification of Italy Republic. So for the unification of Italy, Mazzini had formed one secret organization known as Young Italy. Now this Young Italy he formed to unify Italy, but this time in one side ruling elite class, they also helped. Why they had helped? They had helped for their own interest, because they had a vision that if Italy is united, then they will be economically benefited. That means for their own purpose, they had taken decision to give support for the Italian unification process. Then after, in one side, when Mazzini tried the label base to unify the Germany, this time they got the support of the ruling elite class. Interest is there, a different fact, but you have to keep in mind that not only Mazzini but also several peoples were there who also tried to unite Germany. Example, this time Count Cavour. You know, Count Cavour, what he had done, he led a movement. Count Cavour led a movement to unify the regions of Italy. How? By a tactful diplomatic alliance with the France, engineered by Count Cavour, Sardinia and Piedmont succeed in defeating the Austrian forces. In which year? In 1859. Here, Count Cavour had taken the diplomatic policy to defeat Austria. In which year? In 1859. Finally, he defeated, and that portion also united with the Italian portions. And then after that one, after Count Cavour, Garibaldi came. Garibaldi had formed one army, this army actually volunteered army, you know. And this Garibaldi also had defeated the other states, and that portion also united with Italy. By these ways, north, then Piedmont, southern, and this portion, southern portion also were united. And finally, the whole Italy in the 7th division actually was united under the king of Victor Emmanuel, in which year? In 1861. Italian unification was done. Now again, after completing this portion, if I am asking some question that name 3% who contributed regarding the unification of Italy. Another question, who under which king Italy became united? So write answer in our comment box, and hope you have learned something from the video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.